Hi guys, thanks for checking out another cooking with me video. This is a medium-sized brown onion that we are going to chop almost fine, not quite. Thank you guys for the love that you have been showing on the cooking videos. This is just fun for me. It's just an outlet for me, so I appreciate the love you guys have been showing. Here's my skillet. I'm putting a little oil in the skillet. Listen. That is what it should sound like when you put those onions in the skillet. I had preheated my skillet over medium heat, and that's what your skillet should sound like when you put the onions in there. Now, as you can see here, my onions are a little more translucent. I don't want to caramelize my onions, but I just want to soften them. I want them to actually kind of melt into the meat. We are making chili cheese frito pie today. Okay, let me calm down. Y'all know I enjoy food. Well, maybe you don't know, but now you do. Y'all, I'm a foodie. Like, I love food, and I like to make these kinds of food because not all the time. Not all the time. I do eat healthier food at times, but this is fun stuff for me to cook. Like, when I cook stuff like this, I tell my kids the story that go along with it. Like, anybody who lived in the hood, or excuse me, an urban community, who had a liquor store in their neighborhood, or the ice cream truck they used to ride down the street. How you used to get the chili cheese Fritos in the bag with the spoon that you used to eat outside with your friends. This is like an in-house version of that. And I used to tell my kids, like, the ice cream truck will come. This black pepper. Let me give y'all the seasoning right quick. Garlic powder and seasoned salt, and you season to taste. If you like more black pepper, put more black pepper. If you like more garlic, put more garlic. You season to taste. But I was telling my kids that the ice cream truck used to come down our street, and you could buy banana splits and chili cheese Fritos, and you had the donut truck and all that. So this is like fun food for me. This is like fun stuff. I cook real food, you guys, but this is like fun stuff that I like to cook. Now I'm adding 2 cans of chili with no beans. Now, if you like yours saucier, you can add another can of chili, but I don't want them too saucy because I don't want my Fritos to get too soft and kind of mushy. I don't want that. So I like the sauce to hold its weight. I sprayed a little vegetable cooking spray in the 8.5 by 11, or 9.5 by 13. Yeah, Pyrex dish, and I'm just added the chili cheese Fritos, and I'm adding the meat mixture on top. And now I cooked 3 pounds of meat, and I will leave you guys the recipe, in the description. But I use 3 pounds of lean ground turkey. That's why I also like to add the onions, because lean turkey is drier, so the onion gives it a more juice and more flavor. I try and buy leaner cuts of meat. They're a little more expensive, but when you catch them on sale, just load up. This is Mexican blend cheese, or you can buy the Monterey Jack and cheddar blend. No, this is the Monterey Jack and cheddar blend. This is not the Mexican blend. This is the Monterey Jack and cheddar blend. Okay, I put that in the oven on 350 for about 10 or 15 minutes until my cheese is melting. Now, this is my simple version of guacamole. Like, this is easy guacamole when I don't want to do nothing. So I'm just mixing up, squeeze my lemons in there, and that's pink Himalayan sea salt. Guys, do not make guacamole without using pink Himalayan sea salt. It makes a world of difference. I got my green onions on deck, waiting on my chili cheese Fritos to come out of the oven. Okay. Y'all, do y'all see where I'm going? Y'all, I done sprinkled the green onions on top. I'm about to make my plate and make it heavy. Here it is. Guacamole heavy on top, green onions. Don't forget to share, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.